Today, I was once again among the first to get my hands on the OnePlus 15. In this video, I'll start by unboxing it for you all, so we can take a look at its basic specs and appearance. This time, the main focus of the OnePlus is its esports features, which is a different positioning compared to previous models in the OnePlus number series. The phone case comes in a light purple color, which looks quite elegant and understated. The inside of the phone case also has a textured pattern, along with a "Never Settle" slogan. The quality is really good, and it feels great in the hand. At first glance, it might look similar to the previous 100-watt charger, but this time it's been upgraded to 120-watt fast charging, which further enhances its esports features. What score would you give this shade of purple? I think this purple is actually more elegant than I expected, and it doesn't have that cheap or tacky vibe at all. The main thing is that the camera module has been completely redesigned compared to the OnePlus 13, giving it the feel of an enlarged OnePlus 13T. The back uses this kind of velvet textured glass, so it feels especially nice to the touch, really smooth and pleasant. And did you guys notice another highlight? The edges of the glass are finished with a shiny border, which kind of gives off an RGB gaming light vibe. The gaming aesthetic is actually pretty strong. It looks really impressive when you hold it in your hand. As for the front, wow, it's really stunning. The bezels are super thin, and with those wide corners, the front looks really sharp and energetic. It uses a 165Hz refresh rate, which should once again set a new standard for regular smartphones. That's why it can't use a 2K display, because currently, there aren't any 165Hz screens in the industry with 2K resolution. I still stick to my previous opinion. 1.5K is actually a good compromise between power consumption and clarity. Plus, this time the battery has been upgraded to 7,300 mAh, so the battery life should be much better compared to the previous generation, the OnePlus 13. As for the processor, it's equipped with the 5th generation Snapdragon 8, so in theory, you shouldn't have to worry about its performance. But you'll still have to wait for my detailed review later on. There's no Hasselblad branding on the camera module anymore. Even though the Hasselblad logo is gone, it still has that Hasselblad vibe, and the master mode has been retained as well. When it comes to a brand's imaging, you definitely need to develop your own style. So this time, OnePlus is using its self-developed Ningguang imaging system. I think the OnePlus 15 should be seen as a pioneer for this imaging system. If it gets good reviews, then I think Oppo can fully rely on its own self-developed imaging system in the future, which is actually a good thing. Alright, that's a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 15. I hope you guys can give it a like, comment, and follow. I'll be bringing a more in-depth review of it later, so see you in the next video. Bye!